Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look here at Dycom Industries. This is ticker DY. Really easy setup here on Dycom. We have price above all the key moving averages. The 50-day is below price. The 21-day is below price. And price is sitting on that 8-day exponential period moving average. Now we have a bit of a short base pattern here, sideways consolidation, 21-day holding a support, and a near-term test of resistance right around 300. Today's move was on a slight pickup in volume, so the volume isn't higher than average or anything, but it is picking up, and it hasn't broken out. I don't think the stock is really extended right here, right now, so it could be ready for a move if we do get, I think, a positive move in market. So I would have an alert on Dycom at 300 and look for a strong move through that level and a close above coming on volume. Now, to risk manage that trade, probably want to use that 21-day exponential period moving average as a hard line in the sand. But I think this setup could work if it triggers and moves above 300 for you tomorrow. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And hopefully I'll see you at StockMarketMentor.com.